Let me introduce you to a beautifully crafted card design for a personal profile. It combines a clean HTML structure with an eye-catching CSS gradient background that animates seamlessly. The card highlights Maria Scott, a talented front-end engineer, complete with a profile image, engaging description, and interactive social media buttons. Responsive design? Absolutely. This layout adjusts gracefully for different screen sizes, ensuring a perfect view on desktops and mobile devices. The elegant typography and dynamic hover effects bring this card to life, making it an excellent addition to any portfolio or website. Simple, stylish, and impactful. Here's a dynamic team management UI with drag-and-drop functionality powered by Sortable.js. Effortlessly move members between groups with smooth animations. Clean, modern, and responsive, perfect for any project.